Hello students, now we shall look at the grassland ecosystem. Okay. So, a wide range of landscapes in which the vegetation is mainly formed by grasses and small annual plants form a variety of grassland ecosystems with their specific plants and animals. So, grassland means whatever is you find grass and the small plants means they grow, they die. So, every year they grow, not like this forest where once they grow they are there for almost hundreds of years. Here this is annual plants we are discussing. So, they are small plants and grasses which form the grassland ecosystem. So, grassland covers area where the rainfall is usually low and the soil depth and quality is poor. So, the depth of the soil is poor. So, we are not able to grow trees there. So, only small annual plants and small grasses are growing on the, because the only top surface is fertile. The low rainfall prevents the growth of large number of trees and shrubs, but is sufficient to support the growth of grass covered during the monsoon. Because grass does not have long roots, no? It's hardly few centimeters. So, that much amount of, because of less rain, that much water will not percolate down. One thing. Second thing, the top soil only is fertile, so it will support the grass and shrubs, small shrubs. So, each grassland ecosystem has a wide variety of species of grasses and herbs. So, lot of variety of small plants, that is herbs, are available in this grassland ecosystem. And now we shall look at some 4 grasslands like the Himalayan pasture belt, the Terai region, the semi-arid region and the Shola grasslands. So, this Himalayan pasture belt, as you know, Himalayan belt is in the northern part of India. It extends upon the snow line. The grassland at a lower level form patches along with coniferous or broad-leaved forests. So, especially as we discussed in the forest ecosystem, there are 2 types of forest. One is coniferous and second is broad-leaved. So, in the coniferous, you have that tall trees with that canopy, tapered canopy. And in the broad-leaved, the trees are big and you have got different 4 types of forest, and mostly the deciduous forest in this broad-leaved, they will have a lot of sunlight, and that is why you will have lot of this grass and shrubs on the forest floor. The Himalayan pastures have a large variety of grasses and herbs. A lot of medicinal plants are also available in Himalaya. I think you have seen that Ramayana, where Lord Rama sends Hanuman to get that Sanjeevani booty from the Himalayas. So, there are a large number of medicinal plants, and a lot of Ayurveda. In India is very famous for the Ayurvedic system of medicine, which is prevalent for thousands of years now, and it is able to take care of mankind in a better way. So, these are available in the Himalayan pasture belt. Now comes the Terai region. This consists of small patches of tall grassland interspread with sal forest ecosystem. The patches of tall elephant grass are located in the low-lying waterlogged areas. The sal forest patches cover the elated regions and the Himalayan foothills. The Terai also includes marshes in the low-lying depressions. This ecosystem extends as a belt south of the Himalayan foothills. So, this Terai region comes in the foothills, means the hill is top, then when it is coming down and meeting the earth, there we call a foothill. There you will find the Himalayan, in the Himalayan region you will find the Terai region, and there you have got lot of sal trees, tall trees, So, this is all about the Terai, where you have the sal trees as well as the long grass, which is known as elephant grass. Then the third one is the semi-arid plains. The semi-arid plains, they are located in western India, central India and the Deccan, and are covered by grassland tracts with patches of thorn forest and covered with seasonal grasses and herbs on which its flora is dependent. So there is something called flora and fauna. Okay. So these semi-arid plains, they are located in the western India, central India and the Deccan, and are covered by grassland tracts with patches of thorn forest and covered with seasonal grasses and herbs on which the fauna is dependent. And lastly, we will see the Shola grasslands. So it consists of patches of hill slopes along the Shola forest on the western Ghats, Nilgiri and the Annamalai ranges. Annamalai is in the South India. Western Ghats is what is Karwar, Goa and all this comes under the Western Ghats. And even Nilgiri is in the southern part of India. This forms a patchwork of grassland on the slopes and forests of forest habitats along with the streams and low-lying areas. Now we shall just look at the grassland. So how we are going to save the grassland ecosystem? So what is the problem? Two problems what we can see. One is these villagers. Now they will take their animals, like especially domestic animals, na, what you call, like cattle, cows, goats, bullocks. These all they will take there and they will graze them. So what happens? There is no scientific grazing here. So they will take them during monsoon. Lot of grass will grow. So these people will take them and the animals will be freely eating this grass. And there is no control on the eating. So what happens? This way you will find that the ecosystem is damaged. Okay. And second thing is, like in forest fire, here also, because this plants and shrubs and grass, they can easily catch fire. So fire is also one of the problem for grassland ecosystem. So the solution is again you have got a three-pronged solution, like we discussed in the forest conservation of forest. I think the same thing can apply here also. So one thing is like we said, afforestation means grow more trees. So here he can grow more grass, and we should not allow overgrazing. So this grazing should be controlled so that the grassland ecosystem is not damaged. And you can have rotational grazing pattern. So you can have stretches of grazing. You can divide them in various stretches and see that the grazing is not done over and it is rotationally. So one part is grazed now, next year next one. So by that time this earlier one will grow. So we have to ensure that if one part is grazed, then another 3-4 parts are well developed, so that when it switches to the next year to the next part, then this part will be again full of grass and shrubs. And these fires should be taken care so that they don't burn off the entire grass, especially in the summer season due to high temperatures. No? And third is the sanctuaries or national parks must be created so that we can preserve this grassland ecosystem. Again, I would like to repeat, this grassland, they are the primary producers. They are producing the oxygen what you and me are breathing. So we should be really grateful to this grassland and forest, because they are the primary producers and they are the only producers which are producing oxygen, and on which all this biotic life, whether it is plant, animals or human beings, or even all this herbivorous, carnivorous animals, they are all surviving only on this oxygen. So we need to take care of this forest as well as grasslands. Thank you.